Alright, the question was that customers give their first name, alright, last name and email address when they are making a booking. Alright, when it's time for the booking, it means that he or she is giving this information. So one booking include multiple seats, obviously. So describe an additional tables that will be need to include in the database and explain how these tables will be linked with in the database. Okay, what do you think? What would be the answer? I mean that what is your opinion that how you understand this question?
I say that maybe we'd
I
create
want
a.
to I want to take your opinion personal, then I will explain the question.
I'd say first, um, I think we'd have a customer table which would have their first name,
Okay.
last name, email address, then a booking maybe,
Yes,
uh,
exactly.
and then all these in the database. So I think the primary key would be the email address, and then
Uh, no,
the
email addresses. These are the unique keys. Email addresses that would be used as a primary key.
so would we use like a customer ID?
Customer ID. Yes, customer ID would be the primary key.
Okay, and then we would the booking ID would I think be a foreign,
Yes, yes, exactly. Yes.
and then uh, I'm not sure after that. I
Yeah,
think
these are the points. And the question was about, I guess, 5 marks, right? So in this question, the customer table firstly will be identified, and the customer table will be identified with a suitable primary key, and we will give a like exactly suitable table name as well, right?
okay,
Okay, in this because already we have three tables: show table, see table, and performance table. And the question is that there is need for the bookings. So the questioner is even giving you some kind of hints over there that customer is giving first name, last name, email address, and when they're making the book, it means that we need to make another table that the name will be a customer table, and it will be identified with the suitable primary key and obviously the suitable table name as well. All right, and then we will give another suitable fields including name and email as well, as we know that when we do some kind of bookings, so we have to enter our email address. It is a very important, it is a very general information as well, right? Is it?
yeah,
Okay. Then next is that booking table. Alright, the person is going for the booking. I mean, the booking table will also be having some kind of other information as well. The booking date, exit date, entry date, maybe a room number, and etc. as well, right? So the second
yeah,
point is this booking table will be identified with a suitable primary key and an appropriate name, and that will be used to store. The booking table will be used to store the primary key that would be created in the customer table, and that will be referred as a foreign key, and that will be used to join these two tables.
okay,
Okay, and then that will be stored to use a primary key for the performance table as a foreign key that will be used to join the performance table. Is
okay,
it? Yeah. So this is the whole scenario and this is the whole question basically. Done?
yeah. Now I understand.
Okay. Have you done this paper, whatever I sent to you?
I'm on question 8, part B.
Okay. You just complete it and tomorrow I will discuss. In this question, there was also DB question, right?
Yeah, in this paper there's also a database question.
Alright. So have you done that question or there's any kind of problem?
I think I'm done with it.
Okay. You think you're done with it.
Yeah, yeah, I'm done with it.
Okay. So tomorrow we will have a class, right? Okay.
Okay.
I'm asking basically last time they messaged you, but your mom said that you are going to prepare for some kind of another test as well. So next day
Yeah,
I
I had a
also,
paper the next day, so
yeah,
I wasn't there.
next day I was also online, but you didn't join. So I guess I think because I
I mixed up the days after that.
so sorry.
I mixed up the days. I thought it was. I thought the paper was on. No,
Okay.
after I gave the paper, I came home and then I forgot it was Wednesday. So I've
Okay,
got written
okay,
as.
okay, 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 okay. Next time, obviously we have just 4 to 5 classes now. Next till then, paper two. Next time, I will definitely share a reminder in a group, and then there will be no issue that you can join the class
Okay.
as well. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much, Aslan. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.